The general ground is culpable, or the ultimate ground is culpable violation of the Constitution and betrayal of public trust. The supposed supporting factual allegation is ordering and enabling the kidnapping and surrender of the former president to the ICC. Now, for this specific factual allegation, I point out three sub-allegations. One is that the former president was arrested without Philippine warrant and forcibly transferred to ICC. I say that these are insufficient allegations of facts in terms of time and date, place of occurrence, persons involved, and events that transpired. Complainant, I humbly submit, cannot presume judicial notice of sequence of events that transpired in the former president's arrest. He must allege the specific facts of the arrest relevant to this ground of impeachment and not merely a general allegation that the former president was arrested and transferred to ICC. The second sub-allegation is that allegedly PBBM resorted to foreign intervention and ignored domestic legal processes. I say that these are legal conclusions and not allegations of fact. Even if this is to be treated as factual allegations, complainant must state the specific acts laying down the conclusion that PBBM resorted to foreign intervention and disregarded domestic processes. The complaint must answer the question of what were the specific acts committed by PBBM that constituted consenting to foreign intervention and disregarding domestic legal processes. Again, the complaint cannot presume judicial notice of the events that transpired on that day. The third, the last sub-allegation of fact. PBBM surrendered the former president, FPRRD, to a foreign tribunal. I say again that this is a legal conclusion and not an allegation of fact. Even if this is to be treated as a factual allegation, the complaint must still allege the specific acts, that constitute the surrender of FPRRD to a foreign tribunal. Complaint cannot rely on judicial notice to establish the specific acts that constitute surrender to a foreign tribunal, which is in fact also debatable, especially in light of alternative versions that FPRRD was not surrendered but arrested by virtue of an ICC warrant in accordance with RA 9851. So to me, Madam Chair, the first allegation is not a sufficient allegation of fact, but mere conclusions lacking in specificity. So insufficient po para sa akin yung first ground.